Just finished SSLC or PUC, but not sure what comes next? You're not alone. Whether you're confused about courses, careers, or just need direction, there's one app that understands. Introducing AYUD Career Booster, built just for students like you. Take career tests, discover your strengths, and explore paths that suit you. Need answers fast? Just ask AYUD. Your AI-powered guide is here 24/7 to help with anything. Have a career gap or took a break? No worries, AYUD helps you bounce back with personalized support. Build your resume, prep for interviews, and find real jobs, all in one app. Your journey is unique, and AYUD is with you every step of the way. Download AYUD Career Booster today on Google Play and take your first step toward a bright future.